Hey, are you tired of switching between a bunch of apps just to handle your PDFs? Like using Adobe for editing, Grammarly for fixing mistakes, and Google Translate for language help? What if I told you there's one tool that can do all of that and even more? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me, because I'm about to show you a total game changer that can replace all those apps and save you hours every single day. Trust me, you'll want to see this. So the tool I'm talking about is Wondershare PDFelement. Just click the link in the description, create your account, and you're ready to go in seconds. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, and even on a smartphone, it's built to make your PDF work faster, easier, and cheaper, no matter if you're a business person, a student, or a professional. PDFelement offers tons of great features, but today we're focusing on its amazing AI-powered tools that can completely change the way you work. If you're curious about all its features, check out my other video, Why this PDF editor is the best for 2025. But now imagine your boss or professor gives you documents to work on, each one over 1,000 pages. What would you do first? Write your answer in the comments. I bet most of you would say you'd read through everything before starting, right? Am I right? But here's the cool part. With Wondershare PDFelement, you don't have to do that anymore. Just hit the Summarize PDF button, and it'll give you a clear, simple summary of the whole document. And if you got lots of PDFs, no worries, you can summarize multiple files at once. But wait, what if you want to find specific key points or ask questions about your document? Normally, you'd be stuck scrolling, searching, and wasting tons of time, right? That's where the AI chat feature really shines. You can start chatting either with the AI, just like texting a friend, or directly with your PDF. Lumi, the smart assistant, goes through everything and gives you the answers you need. And if you're not sure what to ask, there's a You May Ask section with some smart ideas to get you started. It's like having your own personal helper right inside your PDFs, making your work way easier. Sounds awesome, right? Share your thoughts and comments. It doesn't stop there. What if your documents are in another language? That's where the Translate PDF comes in. This isn't just some boring word-for-word translator. With PDF Translator, you can pick exactly which pages you want to translate or do the whole document, and it keeps the original layout intact. It's seriously mind-blowing. And there's more. PDFelement also has a grammar check feature that saves you a ton of time. Whether you want to fix a sentence or an entire document, it spots grammar and spelling mistakes. It's like having an editor built right into your PDFs, making editing quicker and way easier. Once your document is polished, PDFelement lets you easily export content using the Generate Markdown. Just pick the pages you want, and it'll pull out the key points, summaries, and keywords before converting everything into a clean, easy-to-use Markdown file. Here's a surprise for you, the Generate Mindmap. This awesome feature takes your PDF and turns it into a mind map, so you can see all the key points and structure in a visual way. It's a fantastic way to organize and review your document, making it easier to understand and remember. Plus, you can even detect AI-written content, saving you the cost of buying separate AI detection tools. And last, but definitely not least, there's Generate PPT. It takes all the important stuff from your PDFs and turns it into a slick, professional PowerPoint presentation in no time. A real time saver to wrap things up. If you're ready to save time and simplify your PDF work, click the link below to try Wondershare PDFelement. And if you're tired of messy meeting notes, check out my video on why Nada AI is the game changer for business note-taking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'd love to hear which feature you're excited about.